If you want to search for a song on the Xiaomi 17, then what you can do is you can use circle to search. So if you use gestures for navigation, you want to press and hold your finger on the navigation bar that we have at the bottom of the screen. And if you use 3 buttons for navigation, you want to press and hold your finger on the home button. Once you activate circle to search, you can use the song recognition feature over here by tapping on this music note button. And now you should be able to leave your phone as it is and let it recognize the songs. Of course, the song has to be played in the background. You can also sing or hum a song if you know how it goes. And if the phone catches it, we should be able to, well, if Google catches it, actually, we should be able to get Google search a result with the song title. Besides that, this option can be also added to the control center. So if we go to the control center, we should be able to tap on edit at the bottom of the control center. And then in here, we should be able to find the song search option in app toggles. So we can add it to the list. So instead of activating the whole circle to search, you can just then go to the control center and just open the song search option. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.